What do milk tea, pineapple buns, and French toast have in common? They can all be found in one place, Hong Kong Cha Chaan Teng. But how did this unique style of restaurant rise up? The story dates back to the 1950s. After the Second World War, Hong Kong experienced rapid population growth and economic development. At that time, Western food was often considered fashionable, but it was too expensive for many people. To meet the growing demand, local cafe owners began creating affordable dishes blending Western cuisine into local tastes. This fusion of food cultures eventually gave birth to Cha Chaan Teng. Yet, a Cha Chaan Teng was never just about food. It was where office workers grabbed a quick lunch, and families gathered for simple meals. The fast service, affordable prices, and human warmth made these restaurants a symbol of Hong Kong culture. Today, these traditional restaurants are becoming increasingly rare. Rising rents, labor shortages, and changing consumer habits have made many family-run businesses close. When a traditional Cha Chaan Teng closes, Hong Kong loses more than a resta. It loses a piece of its cultural heritage, which contains stories, memories, and community spirit built over generations.
Cultural heritage 文化遺產，即係講緊一啲地方一啲年代已久嘅建築物啦，或者一啲嘅事物啦，咁我哋就可以用 cultural heritage 啦。咁呢個字經常出現喺地理學啊，或者一啲嘅英文考試嘅閱讀理解入邊都有機會會出現嘅。Labour shortage 即係喺人手短缺啦，咁啊即係好精簡咁帶出一個即係人力資源嘅狀況咁樣。咁喺頭先嘅影片入邊就講話，即係一啲茶餐廳可能係因為佢哋後繼冇人啊，咁就冇人承接嗰個家族嘅生意，咁就有一啲就被迫就結束營運啦。Affordable 即係解可以負擔得起嘅一個狀況咁啊，即係譬如可能一啲名牌手袋，如果係一啲有錢人呢，佢哋嚟講呢，就係可以負擔得起啦。Grab 呢個字即係解迅速捉住啲嘢、找住啲嘢咁嘅意思。咁喺茶餐廳入邊，有時有啲打工仔都係去嗰度食飯。咁啊有一個好 quick lunch， 咁我哋就 grab quick lunch， 好快食完，咁啊又再去開工咁嘅意思。咁啊到 fusion 呢個字啦，咁啊可能大家有時出去食飯，啲朋友約話喂出去食 fusion 啊，咁樣即係解一啲即係唔同文化相融嘅一啲混合菜式咁樣啦。咁當然唔一定只向食物方面嘅融合嘅，咁可能一啲文化上面嘅融合呢，我哋都可以用呢個字啦。Give birth to 即係解呢孕育一啲嘢，形成一啲嘢咁嘅意思。咁啊即係喺舊底嘅年代呢，即係啲人食唔起西餐啦，咁呢個環境底下呢，就塑造啦或者形成咗茶餐廳呢樣嘢嘅誕生啦。Fashionable 呢個字即係解好潮流嘅，或者譬如可能你件衫啊嗰個手袋啊係好潮流嘅，咁我哋可以用話 fashionable 咁樣啦。咁啊呢個字係源於 fashion 呢個字嘅，咁啊即係大家都聽過噶啦 fashion。咁啊呢個 fashionable 只不過係佢嘅形容詞咁樣啦。